This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Diane Keeley. Come see this charming ranch in a well-kept neighborhood. Home includes hardwood floors, open floor plan and has been newly painted throughout. All appliances are included. Spacious fenced-in backyard with storage shed. Updates include new furnace less than 2 years, and plumbing/sewer pipes in the crawl space 1 year ago. Don't miss out, this home is priced to sell. For more information, review the details below or contact Diane Keeley at 757-477-8577.